Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 15. Let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Black color, red color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, blue color, violet color, pink color, green color, pink color. Okay, let's draw numbers. Black color 1, black color 1, O-N-E 1. Red color 2, T-W-O 2. Green color 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. Yellow color 4, F-O-U-R 4. Sky blue color 5, F-I-V-E 5. Orange color 6, orange color 6. Blue color 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Violet color 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Pink color 9, N-I-N-E 9. Green color 10, T-E-N 10. Pink color 11, E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Black color 12, orange color 13. Sky blue color 14. Yellow color 15. Once again learning numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, bye kids.